Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Today, edited a website, messed with a order trying to place for some new struts. One of my viewers requested one of these pound cakes. Real hard to ship a bundt cake from what I would imagine, so I'm gonna make a couple of loaves. I used all of the batter that I do for the pound cake, making a couple loaves. Going to ship them to him, see if he likes them as much as I do. I was calling them bricks. Diane called them loaves. Getting ready to make a couple of more, finishing up the batter. And I need to run to the store, give Mom her sugar back, pick up some other things. Getting better. They came out real good. So, getting ready to put this one in the oven. Let these cool down properly so they'll be ready for shipping and icing. I'm here with the black 95 850 that I replaced the cam seal on. The owner got nervous. She said she pumped gas, which she filled it all the way up, and it popped the check engine light when she got back in there, and it was shutting off on her and stopped. I thought it was probably the mass airflow sensor, so I had her disconnect that, drive it home, and I cleared the codes today, which was a mass airflow sensor and a misfire number 5, and it seems to be running fine. So I warmed it up, and everything seems okay. I plugged the mass airflow sensor back in. I'll scan it for codes again, and if it don't pop a code, I don't know what to tell her. Junkyard, look like we got some Buster Brown action. So, we're going to get a spring retainer and something else I'm forgetting, some wing clips from my friends in Sweden. They can't get them over there, busted, stuff like that. See what else we can get into. Somebody needs a handle for a Honda, blah 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 blah. Let's do it. Volvo games begin. CD changer with Volvo on there. Actually has the cartridge too. It's probably worth having for somebody. I'm like Best Buy. I don't use CDs, so look like it has a good antenna. Tip of it's down and everything. This is a 92 960. I thought they started in 93, but started in 92. Tinted window. Look at there. Clock adjust, antenna switch, front rear fogs. 209 on the clock. Volvo radio. You know, people don't know it, but these things are actually sturdy enough that you can put your drink in there. Door cards look good. Wow, it's got the dark gray top. Haven't seen that before, I don't think. That is sweet. Buster,
this screw.
You getting screws?
Only this one.
Only that screw for your car. That's all you need.
Yes.
That's what you came to.
No.
You pull it for.
A few things. Looking.
What's up, Buster Brown?
Did you order your thing yet?
Yeah, I ordered it. Told you I was gonna order as soon as I tested it.
Oh, it's
Probably be here tomorrow.
It's a good tire.
That tire looks brand new, Buster. Still got the fillers on there.
It's all the one.
They replaced one tire, huh? Yes, sir. I'd like to get one tire. Man, that tire's already 4 years old.
It's 4 years old.
09-14. They bought the tire and quit driving the car. Well, I can see why they quit. 97 850. We're going to go ahead and take this retainer off of this vehicle. Since this was my buddy's car, and he'd like to know that it helped Panther a little bit. So, Santos, here's to you, man. Well, I used to have one of these style Honda Accords till somebody stole the dang thing. It was an EX gray leather seat. I bought it without test driving it, which was awesome. Had about 150,000 on it. That thing would move. This one here has a 10 disc changer in it. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Rocking it. I'm at my car wash place. They also do emissions testing. So I decided, since I'm about to re-register the Panther to get the emissions test done, and man, look at those numbers. The HC0. And they, you know, sniffed the tailpipe on this thing. Super clean emissions. Yesterday, I stumbled across a channel, AMMONYC. It's a channel that has some really good automotive car care detailing videos. I have watched a few of them. Very good information. I'm going to use them to sharpen up my detailing skills. You know, back in the day, before I had to start hustling on the side a little bit, I used to keep my car spotless, and I'm going to use these videos to hopefully get Panther and Queen Bee on this track where they'll be spotless as well, and avoid making mistakes with some of the common things we do, you know, just not knowing any better or not paying attention. So check out that channel, and I hope it helps. Today with a package, looks like from Amazon. Oh, let me open this one. Another Top Don item to check out and review. It tests your battery, tests your cranking, and it tests your charging system. So we're going to check this out, see how it works, and do a little video review on it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.